Don't skip this, because today you will learn the things you need to say in your prayer from the beginning to the end. Make sure you listen carefully and forward this to someone so they will benefit from this. It will act as sadaqatul jariyah. Whenever they perform salah correctly, you will be rewarded by the will of Allah. When you begin your prayer, start with your intention. After making your intention, then you say Allahu Akbar by raising your hand. This is Takbiratul Ihram. Say Allahu Akbar, not Allahu Akbar. Then after saying that, then you place your hand on your chest or between your navel to your chest, okay? Then you say Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. Then after saying this, then you recite the ta'awuz, which is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and then the basmala, which is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and then you continue with the Surah Al-Fatiha by saying Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Right? Then after reciting Surah Al-Fatiha, then you recite any surah from the Quran or any verse. You can recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, which is Qul huwa Allahu ahad till the end. Right? Then after reciting this, then you go for ruku. You say Allahu Akbar. You go for ruku. Then in the ruku you say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times, or you can extend it by saying Subhana Rabbiyal Azim wa bihamdi 3 times. Then after saying this, then you raise from the ruku by saying Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana walakal hamd. You can pause there if you want, or if you want, you can continue by saying Rabbana walakal hamd hamdan kathirun tayyiban mubarakan fihi, so that you can add your reward in your salah. Then after reciting this, then you go for the sujood by saying Allahu Akbar. When you go for the sujood, make sure you prostrate well, and then you say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times, or you can extend it by saying Subhana Rabbiyal A'la wa bihamdi for 3 times. After saying this, then you raise from the sujood, and when you raise from the sujood, whilst you are waiting for the second sujood, you can say Rabbi ghfirli, Rabbi ghfirli, or you say this comprehensive one by saying Allahumma ghfirli warhamni wahdini wajburni wa'afini warzuqni warfa'ni. Then after saying this, then you go for the second sujood. Then you say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times, or you say this extended one by saying Subhana Rabbiyal A'la wa bihamdi 3 times. After saying this, then you raise for the second rak'ah. You start like how you start the first rak'ah by reciting Surah Al-Fatiha, then any surah from the Quran or verse from the Quran. Then you go for ruku, then you say the supplication in the ruku, then you raise from the ruku just like how we did in the first rak'ah. And then when you reach the sujood, you do the first sujood, the second sujood. When you raise from the second sujood, do not stand up again. Sit on your feet, and then you say the tashahud. This is how to recite the tashahud. You point out your fingers. Do not overdo it. Make sure you blink it little, or you left it to be still, okay? Then you say At-tahiyyatu lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibat. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. And for this side, for you to go to the Salat Ibrahimiyya, if you have another remaining Salah or Rak'ah to perform, then you need to stop here and then you stand for you to perform the remaining Rak'ah. But if this is the end of your Salah, then you need to recite the Salatul Ibrahimiyya, which is Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama salaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhabil qabr wa min adhabi jahannam wa min fitnatil mahya wal mamat wa min sharri fitnatil masihid dajjal. Then you say the salam on your right side and then you end with your left side. And then after that, then you can say astaghfirullah 3 times and then you continue with the other azkar.